So welcome to Topical Talks channel. I'm showing up my most popular shorts and how much YouTube pay for this one. If I go the analytics, then you can see it's 78.8 million. If I go the race option, and if I go the audience, then you can see all of our comes from United States, Russia, Brazil, and the engagement. Now let's see how much you do pay for it. If I go the revenue section, then you can see it's a 392.2. So in overview section, you can see the all details 78 point and 35, and it's still roaring. So thank you. Have a good day.